Hello everyone. Today shall discuss exercise 5.2 question number 5. Here you see question number 5 is question number 5. The arms of the two angles are parallel, right? This arm is parallel to this arm, and AB is parallel to D and BC is parallel to EF. Here if we solve question number 1, right? Here if we say that AB is parallel to AB is parallel to DE, AB is parallel to DE, and BC is the transversal and BC is the transversal right. Now BC is the transversal. Here you see that 8B and D are parallel and BC is the transversal, right? So this angle will be equal to this angle. Why? Because they are corresponding angles, right? Therefore we can say that angle DGC, angle DGC is equal to 70 degree. Why? Because they are corresponding angles. Corresponding angles. Right? Here again you see that AB and D are parallel and BC is the transversal. Therefore you can say that and this angle and this angle will be same because they are corresponding angle. Therefore, we can say that DGC is equal to 70 degree. Right? Now, question number 2. Question number 2 here you see is question number 2 is you have to find angle DEF. DEF. Now, here you see these sides are parallel. BC is parallel to EF. BC is parallel to EF and BC and EF is parallel, and let ED or DE and DE is the transversal. DE is the transversal. D is the transversal. Right? Therefore, we can say that angle DEF, angle DEF, angle DEF is equal to 70 degree. Why? Here you see that this BC is parallel to EF, and if D is the transversal, we see here that this angle and this angle are same. This angle and this angle are same because they are corresponding angles. This is also 70 degree. Therefore, we can say that D is equal to DEF is equal to 70 degree because they are corresponding angles. They are corresponding angles. Corresponding angles. Right? Again, you see that BC is parallel to EF and D is the transversal, and this angle will be equal to this angle. That means angle DEF is equal to angle 70 degree because they are corresponding angles. And here also AB parallel to DE, and if BC is a transversal, right, then here also you see that angle DGC, this angle and this angle will be same because they are corresponding angles, right? They are corresponding angles. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.